Hey, welcome to the channel. So I'm excited because locking tuners just got a lot more fun. Guyker has been a company that I've been a fan of for years now, and I've I've bought these locking tuners on my own for my own guitars. I use them all the time. They're stable, they're reliable, they're lightweight, they're sleek design, they look good, they turn good, they got a good feel to them. That I really recommend Guyker tuners, and you can see got these vintage ones here. That's kind of hard to find, right? That's great. You've got just regular inline ones here. But what I'm excited about is that you no longer are stuck with just chrome as an option. You've got more options now with their dopamine line. That's a fun name, right? So let's take a look. And installation was quick and easy. It took me about 23 minutes total to do everything. You could probably do it a little bit faster, but have a look at that. I mean, you've got the pearl there. It gives it a nice vintage look. I mean, they don't take up much space. They're not heavy. Uh, they look good. They feel good. So let's take a look at the installation.
Okay, let's take a look in fast motion here. So I took the screws out first. You probably want to loosen the strings first on that, but it works either way. And the thing about locking tuners, if you got a new set of strings on there, you can actually reuse those. So I'm just loosening them a little bit and leaving just about a turn or so, and then you're good to go. If you got the tools to use sockets, it's probably faster. A wrench is fine with me. They're usually very easy to undo. So make sure you get it on the right side, and I mean, it's just very easy to get these lined up. They match the holes, everything. This is a Firefly guitar, so an import from China, but it fits perfectly. One piece fit a little more tightly there, but everything went in just fine. So you don't want to over tighten it. You might break the clear coat or crack the wood, so don't want to over tighten it. And again, I was using the same strings, so it was very easy to just reuse those strings. And locking tuners, they really are so convenient. It's so much easier to change strings to get ready to go. If you break a string in the middle of a gig, it's so much easier to just unlock it, put a new one in there, and you're ready to go. Highly recommend this product. Check out their other line, but this dopamine line really has some cool colors, so check it out.